ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. Hey guys, welcome to Yuki Guide. In this lesson we are covering a song request and I will be teaching you one of the most popular friendship songs ever, the very melodious old classic Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge. So guys, if you find this lesson helpful, if you think that this is the lesson for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Yuki Guide. Now once you're done with that, take out your uke. Now tune your uke in standard tuning. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this super melodious song, you only have to learn 3 easy chords, and these chords are chord D, chord G and chord A. Now to play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord A, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 3rd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern, and in this song we are using a very easy and popular strumming pattern, that is down down up up down up, down down up up down up, down down up up down up, down down up up down up. Alright, so this is the complete pattern. Now when you play this pattern in the song, the tempo of this pattern would be quite fast, so you have to practice it accordingly. Okay, so when you play this pattern in the song, it should sound like this. Down down up down up down down up down up down down up down up down down up down up. So guys, I would recommend you that you spend some time on this pattern, get into the right tempo, and then you start playing the song. I will be displaying you all the instructions over the screen, so you will get further help when you will be playing different sections of this song, and I'm sure you can relate it well when I will be playing this song for you in the song play part. So guys, as per my voice range, I'll be using a capo and placing it on 2nd fret. Now if you find this scale little bit high or low for you, then you can adjust the length of capo as per your requirement, and then you can start playing the song. So now let's start playing the song. 1 2 3 4. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. मेरी जीत तेरी जीत, मेरी हार तेरी हार, सुन ए मेरे यार. तेरा गम मेरा गम, तेरी जान मेरी जान, ऐसा अपना प्यार. खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है, सारी उम्र भर. साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। So guys, I'm sure you must have liked this lesson. Please subscribe to your guide and make sure you hit the bell icon. And if you have a song request or you have any doubt, you want any tips, then you can connect with me on Instagram. The handle is right here on your screen. So until next week, take care and bye-bye.